Upper and lowercase o and p. I'm going to angle my paper a little bit here. I'm in a comfortable place to practice my writing. I sharpened my pencil. I'm ready to go. Hopefully you are too. Go ahead and pause this video if you need to sharpen your pencil or make sure that you are comfortable. Uppercase O, starting here at the top. It's a big circle around. It's actually more of the shape of an oval. An oval is skinny on the sides here. And you can see lowercase o is the same all the way around. So we could say big oval, big oval. Take your time. You can see even me, who writes all day, every day, lots of practice. Sometimes it slants, sometimes it's skinnier. It's okay. But I do try to make sure that I keep the size and shape fairly the same. Lowercase o, starting at the dotted line, it's a circle. Circle around, circle around. Take it all the way across. So even practicing circles and straight lines on your own can help you with every letter of the alphabet. Uppercase P. Big line down, pick up your pencil, and a big bump. Big line down, big bump. Big line down, big bump. Nicely done. Lowercase p, it's pretty much the same thing, but it's going to go below the baseline. So it's a big line down, pick up your pencil, and then circle around. Big line down, circle around. I bet your letters are looking amazing, right? Great work practicing with me today. Upper and lowercase o and p.